King of the Azimah, now then King in joy to joy, Kalentatil Muga, Ungaru siya Rubibe, Namdeke Alu Warai, now then King of death, Sishang Wang Lives in